In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix email deliverability on Klaviyo. We'll walk through some essential steps to ensure your emails land where they should, right in your subscribers' inboxes. So, let's dive in. First things first, log into your Klaviyo account. You'll need to be in your account to make these changes, so get that out of the way and set the stage for the adjustments we're about to make. Once you're in, we're going to authenticate your domain. This is a critical step as it tells email servers that you're a legitimate sender and not a spammer, which can significantly impact how your emails are perceived. You'll want to navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile photo, which you'll find on the bottom left of your screen. Right there, you'll be able to access and tweak various settings. Speaking of settings, our next step will take us there. Head over to the settings menu and find domains. This is where you ensure your domain is properly set up for sending emails. Now let's look at setting up SPF, DKIM and DMARC records. These might sound technical, but they're vital pieces of your email infrastructure. Depending on your domain provider, be it GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other service, you'll have specific ways to configure these records. This step is crucial as these records help prevent email spoofing and enhance your domain's reputation by confirming your emails are genuine. This process ensures your emails won't end up being flagged as spam, which is exactly what we want to avoid. Next, we'll need to do some housekeeping and clean your email list. Over time, email lists can accumulate inactive addresses, and keeping them around can hurt your deliverability rates. Go ahead and navigate to Audience and then Lists and Segments. Now it's time to create a new segment. Let's call it something like Engage Subscribers. This segment should include subscribers who have either opened or clicked on your emails in the last 90 days. Once you've identified these engaged subscribers, suppress or remove the unengaged users. By refining your list and focusing on those who are truly interested, you should see a nice improvement in your open rates, a key metric in assessing deliverability. Our final step involves a bit of monitoring and tweaking. Go to Analytics and select Deliverability to check crucial metrics like your deliverability score, detailed reports, and bounce details. Keeping an eye on these stats will help you make necessary adjustments and continue on a path to better deliverability. By taking these proactive steps, you're setting yourself up for success by ensuring your emails consistently reach your intended audience. Implement these strategies and you should see improvements in no time. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.